Hi, this is John again, and we wanted to show the newest updates on our layout. We've been working on our signal system. We have about 90% of our signals hooked up and actually displaying lights. We still have to configure it on JMRI, but we're not ready to do that just yet. We have some of the addresses. We have two SE8C Digitrax boards for signals that we're using for our layout. We have about 18 signals, 24 heads total. Here's some of the ones in our yard area for the main siding and return loop. And then over here we have the main siding main line between the two return loops. And then we have down to our ending return loop where we have signals. We're missing about 4 signals and currently haven't been able to find any on the internet, so until we get those we'll just configure the ones that we currently have. And I'll go ahead and show you just one of the lights. We don't have them actually glued to the layout yet, but just sitting there for now. So they're able to switch them to different colors. So you can do flashing or just solid yellow also. So that's it for this time.